All right, so for part one, we are calculating the population growth rate using birth rates, death rates, immigration with an I, immigration with an E. We talked about these factors yesterday in our class, Monday, Tuesday. And so let's dig into it. So for problem number one, we're trying to find, right, our population growth rate right here. The change in population over the change in time, which is also known as our population growth rate. All right, so we talked about births, right? Births and immigration with an I. These two are going to allow our population to grow, right? And then when we talk about death and emigration, those are causing our population to decline. So just as a refresher. So for number one, we're given all the values except our population growth rate. So let's take a look at this and let's try to isolate our population growth rate so that we can figure that out. So let's do change in population over change in time, which is our population growth rate. It's going to be equal to, right, our birth rate plus our immigration rate with an I. So we'll say 30, right, because this number right here, and then 20. So 30 plus 20 minus our death rate plus our immigration rate with an E. So we're going to go 15 plus 25. All right, again, this is the birth rate, the immigration rate, the death rate, and the emigration rate, right? So if we add those numbers up and subtract, we get 50 minus 40, all right, which also equals 10. So our population growth rate, right, change in population over change in time, our population growth rate is going to be equal to 10, right, people per year, right? So people, whoops, let me try this again. 10 people per year. All right. So in this blank here, we might write, let's see, 10 people per year. That's our growth rate, 10 people per year.